Hi everyone, today I will show you an easiest method on how to convert Revolut points to cash on Revolut in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's get started with the video. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Start by launching the Revolut app on your phone. Navigate to the Revolut points section to check your available points. Step 2. Select gift cards. Inside the Revolut points section, tap on the gift cards option. Revolut partners with a wide range of brands where you can redeem your points. Step 3. Choose a brand. Browse the list of available gift cards and pick your preferred retailer. If your goal is to convert the card into cash, make sure the retailer supports resale or cashback options. Step 4. Redeem your points. Choose how many Revolut points you'd like to use. Once confirmed, you'll instantly receive a gift card code. Step 5. Use your gift card. Simply copy the code and enter it during checkout, either online or in store. If it's a physical store, just scan the card code at the register. Step 6. Exchange for cash. Some platforms like Raise or Card Cash let you sell unused gift cards. You can also explore local resale marketplaces for this. If supported by the retailer, some cards can be directly converted into cashback.